Another way that we can play with the string is by doing a behind the back stall. So from a clockwise circle from my right hand, I'm going to start to drag the wand around my back and bring my right hand all the way to my left waist. Now something that's going to help me avoid hitting the wand is when I'm bringing the wand back around, I place my middle finger that is attached to the string. I place it on the string. That gives me a little bit of distance away from the wand when the wand stalls at my waist, and I can then bring my left hand onto the string to give it the illusion that it's stalling the wand and then bringing it back around. So in real time, that looks like this. Again, when we bring our wand back around us, you can place that middle finger on the string to keep it distant from your hand and to keep from bumping into your hand. And then bring that hand to your waist, finger attached to the string, and as it stalls out, you can place your left hand on the string. I can keep that free hand hovering over the wand. It gives a pretty cool stalling effect to that illusion. If you're having a hard time keeping the wand from hitting you, using this left hand and placing it on the string will allow you to get it away from your body. Another thing is, I'm twisting my torso quite a bit, and my hand is really close to that left hip right there. So, something that's helpful is making sure that you turn your body while you attempt that stall. Really turning to the side, as opposed to staying straight. Right? I'll just hit my body. I'm just going to hit my body with the wand, and I won't get that effect if I don't move. So something, again, that's really going to help is making sure on that waist strap, start to turn to avoid hitting my waist.